Hello, I'm Mrs. John's nephew, and today I'm going to be making a variation of this Lego set. But first, Pocky, do you have an egg for me today? Thank you, Pocky. What's inside? Oh, that's heavy. Whoa, nice! It's a BB-8 keychain. And it spins too. That's awesome. I'm definitely gonna keep that. So let's get started. I'm going to be making this windmill. The instructions are on the top. I'm just gonna follow the instructions. There we go. Ooh. We are pretty close to done. This is a really small Lego set. And the final piece, right there. Oh, it hasn't been put on yet. There we go. And it spins. It spins really well. And that's a windmill. It's pink. Pink and red and white and green. And that color. Thank you for joining me in this episode today. I will be making the other two in this.
Did you find my baby chick hiding in this video? Subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Please press the like button below this video and share with your friends. Have a lovely day.
Okay.